Alright, this is how I set my print up. I have my bed heated up and I already have my tape down. I go to print file. Oops, wrong way. I go on the SD card. I pulled it out, so I unmount the card, remount it, print file, select the file I want to print, and it's at this point that I take just a cheap glue stick and then I just coat my surface where it's going to be with the glue, and then I hit print. We just wait for it to start. Right now we're waiting for the temperature to get up to right where it needs to be. Or I should say come down, because it looks like I had it warmed up hotter than it usually is. And it goes to 0. And then usually watch it as it starts. And this should be printing the brim, because I use a brim for bed adhesion. And I believe I'm using an 8mm bed. So we'll keep an eye on that. And what I'm currently doing here is I've got, here are my settings. I'm doing this in ABS. I have my print temperature at 225 C. And I have my bed at 80. So those are my settings. And my bed adhesion is my plate adhesion I've got set for brim, and I do 8mm. And that's what I'm going to print. So we'll see how this goes.